Rich, creamy and delicious. Get a restaurant-like treat at home with today's Paneer Handi recipe. Let's get started. Let's make the gravy base. I have here oil on heat. I'm taking 2 onions chopped. While I'm deep frying, you can even shallow fry. This is done. Let's take them out. In a pan, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding 8 to 10 cashews, 1 dried red chilli, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, and 1 inch of ginger. Saute for a minute. Next, I'm adding 5 tomatoes roughly chopped, a pinch of salt, and half a cup of water. I'm closing the lid and we will let the tomatoes soften. This will take around 4 minutes. The tomatoes have softened, let them cool down. Once done, transfer to a blender. Onion and tomatoes have been ground into a paste. The gravy base is ready. For the masala paste of gravy, I have here half a cup of curd. Into this I am adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Mix in. The masala mixture for the gravy is ready. Before cooking the gravy, let's pan fry the paneer. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Once the ghee has heated, I'm adding 400 grams of paneer cut into cubes. Fry the paneer cubes from all the sides to get a crispy golden crust on the top. These are done. For cooking the gravy, in a pan I'm taking 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee has heated, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 3 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves, 7 to 8 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, the masala mixture paste we made, and the gravy base we blended. Bring everything together. Next goes in salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, stir in and let the gravy simmer for 3 minutes. Next, I am adding a tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves and the paneer cubes. Cover and cook for a minute. Paneer Handi is ready. Serve it hot. Garnish with fresh cream, coriander leaves and enjoy with roti or naan for a rich, creamy Paneer Handi experience. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.